Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 48 hours have been quite incredible, especially since the CPI data has come out and USD has taken a little bit of a plunge. Let's just say the crypto market has inflow of a lot of money, especially Bitcoin crossing 66k. And what is leading the charts again? Meme coins. Now with meme coins, we started the new series. The new series is doing so well. Well, today we need to talk about one token which I mentioned a couple of days ago, and that is DOGEVERSE. If you guys do not know, when I mentioned this token about 2 weeks ago, they had raised about $10 million, and I was saying this is only getting started. Well, right now they have raised over $15 million, and keep in mind this is going to be going live very soon. This is still in pre-sale stage, and this pre-sale stage will be coming to an end very soon. Right now the price is one Doge is about 0.003 cents. If you do want to purchase it, you can do it through Ethereum or USDT. Now if you guys don't know anything about this project, let's just say it's going to be releasing on a lot of different chains: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, Solana, you name it. Every single major, let's just say, chains are going to be having DOGEVERSE that will be releasing on release date. It's not just going to be, let's say, it's not going to be later on we're going to be adding, and there's no fake promises. This is on launch. There's going to be 6 different, let's just say, chains that will be having this token. Now this token has so much good utility around it. You guys can read the whole story how this came to life. DOGEVERSE is the first Doge meme token built on multi-chain network. Welcome to interconnected universe of Doge lovers where community rewards and creative fun encourage. Stake your Doge tokens on Ethereum to earn passive income and rewards. Now initially when I talked about this token, the rewards were crazy. Now they have toned down a little bit. Now they are going to be toning down even more once it actually goes publicly live. Cosmos is adorable little face of the first meme coin to grace the 6th most active blockchain outside of Bitcoin. So you guys know the team knows what they are doing, especially if you look at the roadmap. Website goes live, contract gets written, social media, all of that is done. Contract audit is done, pre-sale begins, community building, all that is done. Marketing is going to be going live, and coin market cap application, CoinGecko, first DEX listing, first CEX listing, and continuing marketing. So you guys can see they have a very good idea of what they want to do in the future, and seeing what their tokenomics are like: 15% pre-sale, 10% staking, 25% project fund, liquidity is good, marketing 25%, and the exchange are going to be receiving 5%. If you do want to buy it, simply connect your wallet, and you guys know, just add the Ethereum, USDT, and you guys can go ahead and do it. Now talking about the audit, you guys can see the audit had no problems. Can the owner mint? No mint function, no blacklist, no honeypot, no high sell fees, and trading unable. That means you're not going to be having any problems if you buy this at a point where you're like, oh, I can't sell. None of that is going to be happen, and let's just say KYC is not going to be needed as well. Now talking about the Twitter, you guys can see the Twitter is verified with over 18,000 followers. That should give you a little bit of perspective what is happening. 18,000 followers is quite a bit of following, and it's not just the followers, but you can see that even their tweets are receiving like 20,000 views, 37,000 views, 47,000 views. So there is many people that are paying really close attention to this token, especially once it launches. There is going to be a lot of new buyers that will be coming into this token. Now if you do want to purchase it, I'll link it down in the description. As I mentioned, this is pretty much the perfect time to buy this token before it goes live, because you guys can see last chance to buy, and after that it will be going live to public, and pre-sale will come to an end. And pre-sale is probably the final time. You guys know pre-sale is probably the best time to buy before the publics get hand on it. If you do want to purchase it, link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you soon.